directions say to paint this part in chrome, this in body color, and then here's a close-up of the engine compartment. So again, this is chrome, this is black, this is aluminum, this is light blue, and this is white. Now, I could get the Tamiya tape out and mask it all out, but instead I decided to try something a little different. Elmer's glue wall, regular old white glue. So what I did is I painted the whole thing in aluminum, the whole chassis in aluminum. Then I took some Elmer's white glue, put it into a bottle cap, and applied it with a toothpick. And what I did is I covered the aluminum for the aluminum pieces here and here. Then I painted white, put the glue over that, the light blue, the light blue, and the light blue, and I put glue over that. And then I painted it all black for here, and a good base for the chrome, covered up the black with glue. Then I painted the chrome. So either this is going to be an awesome discovery when I put this underwater and the glue dissolves, or this is going to be a monumental failure. We shall see. Here's the final verdict. The light blue, the light blue, and the light blue worked out really well. The aluminum, really well. The black, seems like it came off just a little bit, but not bad. The chrome, perfect. The white, I got a few little spots here and there, but nothing I can't touch up. So here's the finished chassis, painted in blue. I did touch up parts with a brush, the parts that needed a little attention, got a little overspray on. Now the idea is to drag the decal onto the body. You don't want to take the whole decal off the paper until you get it near the body where you want it to be. I'm just kind of slowly dragging it onto the body. And I want to try and get it where I want it on the first shot. All right, so that's a door handle. Slowly. See that edge is wanting to pull off the paper. And just try and get it right where you want it, close enough. Let's get a brush. Wet your brush, the soapy water, and just start coaxing it into place. See here, I push it down and it comes right back up. But I want to keep trying to get this into where I want it to go. And roll slowly, applying pressure to get the decal to sink down onto the body. So now I'm going to coax it a little bit with the hair dryer. Never use high, always low. I'm just going to heat up the area a little bit that we want to fix. Let's go one step higher with micro sol. And don't put a whole bunch on, you just need a little bit. Okay, I'm going to work it into the spots here. That end of the ARU keeps coming off the body, so let's keep coaxing it down. Don't get impatient here. It took me about 40 minutes to do the other side. And that is how you do decals.
Perfect.
You still here? Go ahead and watch the next video. Hit the subscribe button.